Hello beautiful people, my name is Vino from Sculpo Stylized Character Workshop, and this is one of the first video in this series where I want to share with you two of the many secrets behind how you can build muscle memory to improve your ZBrush sculpts through speed and repetition.
Gonna be Beckham. Oh, and it's another classic from young David Beckham.
Well, my advice is just practice. That's all I've done, is just practice. I practiced on my own, both feet, you know, just hitting the ball against the wall or playing with my dad and things like that. I just used to practice all the time, non-stop.
Now, for those of you who don't know, that was the famous football player David Beckham back in 1996. But what was the key to David's success? Because he went on to become one of the most greatest football players of all time. Well, David Beckham, he practiced the same exercises every single week until he perfected it. Now, whether David Beckham knew or not, David Beckham was using an idea or a concept called operant conditioning. Operant conditioning is the idea that you can either increase or decrease in behavior habits by adding a consequence. But how can we use operant conditioning to improve our ZBrush sculpts? If you understand where the basic landmarks on the face are with regards to anatomy, you know, the mandible, the maxilla, the zygomatic, the glabella, you can build muscle memory by repeating the same exercises. That's the consequence. It's the time and effort you have to put into it. The reward, though, is the more you practice placing those landmarks with speed and repetition, you're going to build muscle memory. So why don't you join me every month for 5 days for a speed sculpting workout live on Zoom. But this is how we build muscle memory, through speed, repetition. We're going to live stream record it so you can watch it back in your own time. However, you must take part in the program. That means sculpting for 5 days, 15 minutes per day. Only that way you're going to be able to evaluate and see if you've improved over those 5 days. If you do join us in the morning, well, you're going to get some live feedback from myself. We're also going to open up some breakout rooms on Zoom so we can have some peer-to-peer feedback with the other students. So why don't you give it a shot? You've got nothing to lose, it's free. But taking part in this program is obviously going to set you up for the new course that we've got on Sculpo Stylized Character Workshop called the 1, 2, 3 Bust. By taking part in the speed sculpting, where it's just going to help you to be mentally prepared for that course. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Peace.